Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with your BMW 7 Series if your Bluetooth is not working and what you can try to do. So the first thing that you can try to do is to remove your car from your phone and remove your phone from the car. So what you want to do is this. First, go to settings on the top right on your phone. Then you want to go to connections. Then under Wi-Fi you're going to have Bluetooth. And here you can have BMW and you want to press settings and you can have unpair. Do you see that? The second thing that you can try to do is that unpair also your phone from the car, and then you want to like reset it. So what you need to do is this. When you're gonna have the volume button, you want to press it for like 30 to 60 to 80 seconds until the screen is going to go black. And this is the first way. Or you want to also press and hold the mode button with the volume button. So these are the two ways. So press and hold the mode with the volume button, hold it for 60 seconds, or just the volume button, and then try to connect it with different phone. So this is another like tip what you can try to do. If you have Android, try iPhone. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.